Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'll be showing you our fanless industrial monitors that have 1000 nits high brightness, high resolution, extended operating temperature, and have optically bonded capacitive touchscreens. It's the MON6000. Let's take a look. Now I'm going to unbox one of the MON6000s, and in this case it's the 21.5 inch monitor, which is the MON6021 APHEB. So when you first open the box, this is what you'll see. You'll see the warranty, and then also the quick start guide. And below that is the monitor. It's the MON6021 APHEB, and it's encased in foam and also wrapped in anti-static plastic. There's also some accessories. So over here you have your power adapter with cord. This is for your 9 to 36 volt DC power supply. Also over here is your DC power connector, which attaches to your power adapter and also comes with a mounting kit. Then over here are some more accessories. This is your VGA cable and your USB cable. So now I'm going to remove the monitor from the box. Now I'm going to remove the monitor from the foam and the anti-static plastic. The MON6000 comes in 4 sizes: a 21.5 inch, 15 inch, 12 inch, and a 10 inch. They are all 1000 nits high brightness, which are sunlight readable. They are all high resolution, optically bonded capacitive touchscreens. They have an extended operating temperature of -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, or -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They have an IP66 rated aluminum bezel for washdown environments. They have a silver die-cast aluminum chassis, and they are VESA or panel mount. On the back of the PC, there are 4 screw holes. These are 4 VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mounting screw holes. Then there also is the DC power input connector. This is for your 9 to 36 volt DC power supply. Then lastly, there is an on-screen display control panel. On the bottom of the monitor, there is some I/O. Starting over on the left side is a DisplayPort input, then an HDMI input, then a DVI-D input, then a VGA input. Then there is a USB 2.0 client port. This is how you would use the touch screen on your monitor. And then lastly, there is a 3.5 millimeter audio line in. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the monitor 6000 here. So I have a power supply going into the monitor, and I also have one of our headless HMIs. This is the CMT FHDX. So I have an HDMI cable coming out and going into the monitor for the display. And then I also have a USB cable going into the monitor so I can use the capacitive touchscreen on the monitor. So the headless HMI has a demo project on it, so I'm going to use the capacitive touch on the monitor to go through some of the features in the project. So I'm going to turn on the power supply and the monitor will boot up. So let's go through some of the features and use the capacitive touch. I'm wearing gloves. Go to trend display. Here you can see a simulated trend display. Let's go back home, switches and lamps. Turn some bits on and off, toggle, go back home, recipe database, go back home, meters and bar graphs. So that's how you would use the capacitive touch for one of the Monitor 6000s. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial monitors, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.